In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table into a database with the help of SheetKraft. Suppose this is my data and I have to upload this data into a database. So that purpose I have to create a table. So for making a table, you have to go to Database Explorer, then feed in the connection string, then specify the range of sample data. So this is my sample data. So after clicking that, press N for columns. This will auto detect the data and data types. So you can specify whether a column can be nullable or not. Then I have to provide the key types. So here I want to say this is my primary key. Currency and product are also my primary key. After making all the specification, choose the schema in which you want to make the table and specify the table name. I will say table data. Then I will press generate SQL. It will generate an SQL. Move to the SQL tab. This is the complete table architecture. So you have to always run non-query to execute this function. So now we will see whether the table has been created or not. So here db.tr data is there, tr data set is there. Let's refresh it. Let's move to tables. Yeah, look at this. This is the data table.